Hey, guess what? I bought a cage. So the cage I bought is from my Osmo Pocket 3. And the reason why I got it is I wanted to expand what I could do with it. I had lots of accessories from my other action camera, and I wanted to use them with this. So there's no way to do that on the Pocket 3. The only thing you get is this. Look, you get that. That's the only connection you have. And this is the battery adapter. If you have the regular adapter, then all you get is that. Look, it's the same thing again, 1/4 inch. So the only thing you could do is use a tripod, set up the Pocket 3 straight up and just film with that. But I had loads of other things that I wanted to use. So what was my solution? To buy the cage. You got this one, look. This is the Neewer metal cage. Now, the cool thing about this is that it's made of totally aluminum, the whole thing. The cage is aluminum, the screw that locks it in with the fingers are aluminum, and the cold shoe is aluminum. Check it out, look at this. Okay. All right, so look, everything is aluminum. The front is aluminum, the buttons are aluminum. Look. Everything in here, even the cold shoe on the back, that's made out of aluminum. The screw, the thumb screw is made out of aluminum. All of this is aluminum. And it comes in at only like 3.9 ounces. So, or grams, I don't know, but it's 3.9. It's not that much. So it doesn't add too much weight. Now, all of the competitors made of plastic. So they're not as durable, and some of the reports that I've seen is sometimes they come loose, or over time that friction lock that locks it into the pocket, it'll fail. So I decided to get this one. Now, let's take a closer look at it. If you open the inside, because there's a lock on this, look. That, focus for me. There you go. Okay, it has shock absorbing panels on the inside. All of this is foam, and it's all around the inside. So not only does it protect your pocket from scratches from the metal, but then if any jostling happens, it's there. So one reason I chose this over the one from Ulanzi and some of the other ones that are basically the same thing is a couple of different reasons. Number one, it has 4 different mounting points on both sides, 4 altogether. Not just 4 on this side and 4 on that side. That'd be too many. So with that, I could screw it in sideways, you know, like this, or the other way, or I can attach anything I wanted to it. So take a look, look. There we go. All right, you see 3 mounting points there. And then if you go to the other side, we have another mounting point here. Then you have, look, one on the front, and oh, I got to take this apart. Hold on, because I didn't plan on doing this. Look, and one on the back, right there in the middle. So I can mount this anywhere. I can mount things to it. All I need is that 1/4 inch screw. So the other part that I really liked about this is the magnetic fingers that are on it. So take a look. So on the back is this. So these, hold on. All right. On the back is this, and this flips right on up. And the other side does the same thing. They both flip right up. And then this is what you use to attach everything to. So you see that? It flips right in there. And what was really good about it is that, guess what? They're on the front too. There we go. So take a look, and there, it's on the front. And they fold right down out of the way when you're not using them, and they're attached by magnets. So it's not gonna be flopping all over the place, because that would be gross. So some of the other ones had magnetic mounts like the action cameras have. But the reason why I didn't want that, because I would have to buy a separate magnetic mount to be able to use all of my other accessories. This thing has a cold shoe with the possibility to add more than one. So it comes with this cold shoe on the side right here. So take a look at that. That's the cold shoe where those arrows are, and I can turn it to the side a little bit and it slides right in there. So why is that good? So the problem I always had is with my wireless mics. So the receiver never had a clip. It needed to slide into somewhere. So with this, when I use that receiver, it can slide right into the cold shoe and I don't have to worry about it just dangling, you know, where it can get damaged or fall off. Also, I can put several things there. I can put a light there. I can put microphones, all types of things. So overall, I think this is probably something that's necessary to have if you want to expand how you're using your Pocket. So here's a quick demonstration. Now, this is one of those selfie sticks, those extending selfie sticks. You see, you turn it and it extends like all the way out. Now, I wanted to use this with the Pocket because I didn't want to hold it so close. Maybe I wanted to get something further off, and this will allow me to use it. Let me show you how. So you see that? These fingers can flip right out on the front or the back. Now, right now, I'll put it on the back. So let's flip this out. And now you have these fingers here. Now, what should you do? Look, they match up with this. All these things from GoPro and the action cameras. They fit right on there. So what I'm going to do is just fit it right on here. You just slide it right in. And then you come back with the thumb screw, stick that right in and twist it. And guess what? Now you can use a selfie stick or anything else with the Pocket 3. And you don't have to worry about buying new connectors or all new things because look, it sits right up there like this. Perfect. And if I wanted to extend it, I can do that. Done. So let me show you how this works. So I have my Pocket 3 and I have the cage. Let's see if we can go on camera and put this together without messing it up too bad. You take your Pocket and open your cage. Now there's a slot in here. Let me see if I can show you. Focus for me. All right. So this just slides, the Pocket slides right on in there. And, all right. See, it's a tight, snug fit. But here's the thing that I noticed. So if you look at the bottom of this, take a look. There at the bottom. This thing has like, see those two little hooks that come off on the side right here? They fit, those fit right where the clamps for the battery goes. So this is not going anywhere. And this is a really snug fit. You see I'm shaking and it's not falling off. It's not moving at all. So when you put it on, you go ahead and cut it and you close it. And you see there's a lock and unlock button there. So you close it, it snaps shut. Well, you push it in and snap it shut and it closes. Now, the one thing that can happen while you're putting this on is that this button fits close. So it's going to go ahead and record what's happening. I don't know if you want that to happen or not, but that could happen. What I'm surprised about is that although this is made of aluminum, although it's a tight fit, it hadn't scarred my Pocket 3. There's no scars on it, no abrasions, anything like that. It's a very snug fit, but it's not bad. One issue that I had with this is that I thought I could not operate my battery, the battery handle, with this on because of the fins that lock into the same locking things. But what you have to do is make sure to push this down all the way, and then you can attach the battery handle. Watch this. So you stick the battery handle on there, and what you have to do is make sure you push the button to make it snap out, and then it can snap in there, and it snaps in. You see that? So as you can see, look, the battery handle is on and it's not coming off. Don't mind me, I just didn't take the sticker off, but it works, it's in there. So overall, I think this is probably something that's necessary to have if you want to expand how you're using your Pocket. Let's look at some possibilities for that cold shoe. All right, look, this is a little tiny light from Neewer. And as you can see, it has a cold shoe mount on the bottom right there. So what I'm going to do is slide that right in the cold shoe. See, it slides right in and you twist it to lock it down. And look, now I have a light on my Pocket 3. for those days when low light is just too much, or whatever you want to use it for. But you can put anything in this, anything. So let's check out some of the other things that I have. A shotgun mic, like one of those mini shotgun mics. Yeah, you can put that right on there, slide it right in and point it right at yourself, and it can attach to the Pocket 3. One reason why I bought it is so I can clip on my receivers. So my receiver for my wireless mic clip right there and it doesn't have to dangle and hang. So one of the things we talked about is the 1/4-inch screw holes, the mounting points that's in it. So there's so many on this, like 4 or 5 of them. So check this out, look. So this is like one of those little micro tripod things, but look, it has the 1/4-inch on it. And first of all, not only can I screw it on the front, look, I can screw it on the front and my Pocket can mount this way for people who like to do 4K vertical. And I unscrew it, I can mount it on the side, same way, like this. Look, it's mounted. Look, I can screw it on the back. And look, perfect. Also, you have 3 different points on this side. So like I showed you before, look, the 3 points right there. This can go in any one of those. I mean, you just screw it in. And you can actually hang it like this and it's done. So the reason why I wanted to do that is that I just bought this. I have like this whole action camera accessories kit. It's like 50 things in here. So I wanted to use them all with this. And this is what those fingers allow me to do, because you fold it out, you can attach anything onto this. You can't lose. So the question is, should you buy it? Should you buy one of the other ones? What should you do? Now, I will tell you that if price is a factor, then you might not want to buy this. I paid about $33 for this. So, because it's all metal, things like that. The one from the other company, Ulanzi, is like $39. So the metal ones with all the mounting points do cost more. You could get one of the plastic ones. I saw a used one from DJI for like 17 bucks. You know, brand new, it's like 20 bucks. Many of the other ones are a lot less, and you could buy that. But what I have discovered though is that sometimes you get what you pay for, and what I was afraid of is that the plastic would wear out, fall, do anything like that. Also, I wanted the mounting points. I wanted to be able to use all of my stuff with this. I wanted to be able to place it anywhere, anytime, and do anything with it. So I thought buying a $30 cage was a good idea. So this is future me. So I've used the cage and I've done some things with it. And I have to tell you whether I like it or not. So here it goes. Now, the first thing that I'm not really certain about, but this is well constructed. I mean, it's well put together. But the question is, why is the whole thing made of aluminum? That's like a selling point to make them better or something, because it's not like an entire cage that covers the entire pocket, like protects the screen and things like that. It just fits across the bottom where you can attach things to it. So I don't see why it's all aluminum, but I know why they chose aluminum. So that I don't know. The other thing that I don't like that is very annoying is, well, 2 things. One is this button. So look at this. It's the button right there, this button, and it's the unlock button. So when you have to unlock it or when you put it on, you have to like push it forward for it to unlock. So it doesn't like just come loose. You have to like push this forward. So see, you just push that, then it opens. The problem is once you slip the Pocket in and you have to like lock it, you kind of have to push it forward to make it lock because it's such a snug fit. And it's a circular button. You know, it should have been like a switch, but see, that's hard to push. The one from the other company is like a switch with grooves on it where you can kind of push it with your hands. So that's a little bit of a complaint. The other thing is, well, definitely the snug fit is annoying, like trying to push it in there. Sometimes I'm scared I might damage my Pocket, and I don't want to do that because it's not cheap. But overall, I mean, I like it. I'm glad I bought it, and I'm going to use it because it has all the things that I want, like all of the extra mounting points for the cold shoe, all the other various dips and dods and all of that. So yeah, but anyway, I'll let you get back to the show. Now, can I tell you what to do? No. I say buy what you can afford. And if you don't have it right now, then figure out another way to do it, because the video is still the same. I mean, if you're looking at this, you have a Pocket, and we know how good that is. So, I don't know. I'll put the link down below. You can find it on Amazon or the Neewer website, and you make your own decision. But that's all I got. I'm out. Peace.